Let's delve into more detail about chia seeds, their origin, nutritional composition, and specific health benefits. 1. Origin and history. Chia seeds come from the plant Salvia hispanica, a member of the mint family. This plant is native to Central and South America, primarily Mexico and Guatemala. Chia seeds have a rich history as a dietary staple in ancient Mesoamerican cultures. They were considered a prized food source for their energy-boosting properties and played a significant role in the diets of civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans. 2. Nutritional profile. Chia seeds are often referred to as a superfood because they are densely packed with essential nutrients. Fiber. Chia seeds are exceptionally rich in dietary fiber, with approximately 10.6 grams per ounce, 28 grams. This high fiber content aids in digestion, helps maintain regular bowel movements, and can contribute to a feeling of fullness. Protein. Chia seeds are a good source of plant-based protein, containing about 4.7 grams per ounce. This makes them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to increase their protein intake. Omega-3 fatty acids, ALA. Chia seeds are among the richest plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Antioxidants. Chia seeds contain various antioxidants, including quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamins and minerals. Chia seeds are a good source of several important minerals, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. These minerals are crucial for maintaining strong bones, muscles, and overall health. 3. Health benefits. Heart health. The high content of omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering levels of harmful LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing beneficial HDL cholesterol. Weight management. Due to their fiber content, chia seeds can help control appetite and promote weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness and reducing calorie intake. Blood sugar control. The combination of soluble and insoluble fiber in chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them a valuable addition to the diets of individuals with diabetes. Bone health. Chia seeds provide essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining healthy bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Digestive health. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water, which can aid in regular bowel movements and alleviate constipation. Hydration. Chia seeds can absorb large amounts of water, helping to keep you hydrated during exercise or hot weather. Anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in chia seeds may help reduce inflammation, which is a contributing factor to many chronic diseases. 4. Culinary uses. Chia seeds have a mild, slightly nutty flavor that makes them a versatile ingredient in various recipes. Chia seeds can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or cereal for an easy nutrient boost. They can also be used to thicken soups, sauces, and dressings due to their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency. Chia pudding, made by soaking chia seeds in liquid, such as almond milk or yogurt, and adding sweeteners or fruits, is a popular and healthy dessert option. 5. Considerations. Chia seeds are generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort if they consume chia seeds dry. To avoid this, it's recommended to soak them in liquid before consumption, allowing them to expand and form a gel. People with certain medical conditions, such as swallowing difficulties or allergies, should exercise caution when consuming chia seeds. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes or adding new foods to your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns. In summary, chia seeds are a nutrient-dense superfood with a rich history of use in Central and South America. They offer a wide range of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Whether you're looking to improve heart health, manage your weight, or boost overall nutrition, chia seeds can be a versatile and delicious choice.